Do you want to capture leads automatically without manually copying data from forms, emails, or CRMs? Here's how you can use Zapier to do all that while you sleep. So by the end of this quick guide, you'll be able to connect your favorite lead tools like Facebook ads, Google Sheets, or HubSpot, and make Zapier do all the heavy lifting for you. So first, go to zapier.com and click Create Zap, and under Trigger, choose where your leads come from. Like for example, the new Facebook lead ad from form submission. Then you can choose an action app. Select where you want the lead data to go. Like for example, send the new leads to Google Sheets automatically or just add them to HubSpot CRM. Then you can now map the data fields. Zapier will ask which fields to include, like match form data like name, email, or phone number with your destination app fields. Then you can now test your Zap. You can run a test to make sure your data flows correctly. So if everything checks out, turn on your Zap and now you've now automated your lead generation. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification for more tutorial videos.